So my name is Brad Martin. I'm the CEO of Another Reality Studio, and we create augmented and virtual reality applications for enterprise. So what we try to do is make training and business applications more efficient and more immersive to develop their product further. We focus on 4 different industries. We focus on architecture, engineering, and contract or construction, AEC, training, healthcare, and education. And so an application where AR, VR may come into play that's easy to digest is in the AEC world. We do a lot of pre-built architecture and visualization. And so we put architecture in virtual reality to allow the client and the architect to actually visualize their plans in real scale and real time. So they can jump into a virtual world of their architecture, walk around together, make comments and notes, and just kind of realistically see what that space and what those views will look like. We started officing out of T-Rex in downtown North in 2015, off and on. I was the only person in St. Louis. Our company's fully remote across the US, so I was the only person in St. Louis officing out of T-Rex. But at this point, we have about 5 people that office out of T-Rex. So one of the challenges we've had as a startup is there's a very fine line balance between how many projects and what kind of projects you can take on, and then how big your team is or how much you can sustain as a team. So a lot of that comes with scalability. And so it's actually quite a puzzle to put together plans for scalability as a startup. And so you want to get the large and the high ticket item projects, but then scaling up and finding the talent, especially in immersive technology that we're in and the bleeding edge technology, can pose challenges. The collaboration at T-Rex is extremely important to our startup. We've made so many relationships with other startups and large companies that have helped us to work on business development, learn about scaling like they have or like they are. So many different knowledge, facts that Patty and the team at T-Rex have brought to us that we need to really grow properly. And then also they're just cheerleaders for us. They just really help push us to the next level with new projects and new work, and they're always just bragging about how we can do some really cool stuff together, and it's just been fun being a part of that team. So Another Reality Studio is actually geared very well for geospatial applications. A lot of the technology that we use pairs very well with geospatial technologies. And so we're actually working on different NSF grants and different projects that will help St. Louis build more efficiently the projects that they have, and also just bring everybody together to work on things that matter and kind of building the city and the community up in a way that really helps grow St. Louis in a good way. I think NGA being here is really a pivotal moment in St. Louis's growth. I mean, it's going to really draw in a whole new crowd and really build up the companies that are there for geospatial to gain more work, and just to continue to grow their teams and build more jobs in St. Louis. And so NGA showing up in this area is just extremely beneficial to St. Louis.